Since the Simplicity's going tomorrow, we're getting a new mower. This one's just too big for us. Before it goes, I never did anything on the trailer hitch. You can see that's the one they sell, the little one, and you bolt right on. But I wanted a ball, something heavier, so I just went ahead and made this one up. Bought a receiver, welded it to a 1/4-inch plate, drilled myself 4 holes, and the way I like to do it is I went ahead and tapped the actual plate, so there's no nut on the back. Makes it much cleaner, and you don't always have to worry about those darn nuts. So I'm gonna get this thing taken off of there. They don't want that, but just wanted to share that. Here's a better look at that back clamping plate. You can see I've got them threaded. So what I did, the only thing that I did was I clamped these 2 plates together when I made them, drilled the holes, then I re-drilled the ones for clearance, and then these I just tapped. It worked out real well, good and sturdy.